13 Natural Home Remedies for Constipation. Heartbreak, depression and constipation, these are issues that we all face at least once in our lifetime. Out of all these major issues, constipation might be the only one that can be cured with home remedies. Usually, you might experience short-term constipation which is mostly caused due to travel, surgery or a temporary change in diet. On the other hand, you might experience chronic constipation that lasts for a few weeks or even longer. The common causes are overeating, smoking, drinking alcohol, or overconsumption of junk food. Constipation often results in discomfort when going to the washroom, feeling uneasy, or the inability to pass stool easily. Sometimes, it can have a serious impact on your personal and mental health as well. It is also considered to be one of the most common conditions affecting the elderly. So, here are 15 home remedies for constipation that might offer instant and long-lasting relief. Before going into the video, we've just printed more copies of what is probably the best plant medicine book ever written, The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies. You'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies in The Lost Book of Herbal Remedies, how-to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description. Now let's get into today's video. 1. Water. Drink lots of it. Dehydration is one of the common causes of constipation. So, how do you avoid dehydration? Well, by staying hydrated. This might even be one of the simplest natural remedies for constipation. Also, according to a few studies, sparkling water is found to be more effective than regular tap water for natural constipation relief. 2. Have enough dietary fiber. Including dietary fiber in your diet is believed to be the best remedy for constipation. The consumption of insoluble fiber is known to increase the bulk and consistency of your bowel movements. This makes them easier to pass through your digestive system and is one of the most effective home remedies for constipation. You can try including various fiber-rich foods in your diet like fruits, vegetables, whole grains or 3. Anjeer. Also known as figs, Anjeer can offer instant constipation relief when soaked in warm water. Anjeer is known to be the best home remedy for constipation in kids. Also, you can include it in your daily diet in order to improve your digestive system. 4. Milk and ghee. We have long known about the benefits that milk and ghee have to offer. However, they are also effective home remedies for constipation. You can take 1 or 2 teaspoons of ghee in a hot cup of milk and have it during bedtime. They act as one of the most effective and natural ways to get rid of constipation. 5. Lemon water. Lemon juice contains citric acid that helps stimulate your digestive system and can flush out the toxins from your body as well. It proves to be very helpful and acts as natural constipation relief. You can take a glass of water and squeeze the fresh lemon juice into it every morning. Also, adding lemon to your tea is an ideal home cure for constipation and may even improve long-term digestion. 6. Ginger tea. Yes, your Adrak Wali chai is also one of the ideal home remedies to cure constipation. Ginger is known to be a herb that causes the inside of your body to generate more heat. The hot water in your ginger tea also helps stimulate digestion and it may offer instant constipation relief as well. Another favorite Indian beverage that might be a natural cure for constipation is 7. Coffee. That's right. Grabbing a hot cup of coffee might act as a quick remedy for constipation. It may stimulate your colon and might even speed up your trip to the bathroom. 8. Dalia. This superfood is a rich source of plant protein and contains important vitamins that might help get rid of constipation. It is known as cracked wheat and is a great source of magnesium as well. It is believed that including the right amount of magnesium in your daily diet is one of the natural ways to relieve constipation. Dalia is also one of the important superfoods that seniors must include in their diet. 9. Healthy fats. Foods that contain healthy fats are actually essential for basic body functions. Also, they help lubricate your intestines and help offer natural constipation relief. You can include foods like nuts, olive oil and avocados in your daily diet as they act as natural home remedies for constipation. 10. Sesame seeds. They have an oily composition that works on the intestines and helps moisturize them. This proves to be extremely helpful as it may ease the passing of dry stools. They work as an ideal constipation treatment at home and can be added to cereals or salads as well. 11. Mulethi, licorice root. This is one of the most effective Ayurvedic foods that might help improve digestion. Take a teaspoon of licorice root, powdered, and add a teaspoon of jaggery to it. Now, you can just drink it with a cup of warm water. It is known to promote bowel activity and is widely considered to be one of the best herbs for constipation. Note: consult an Ayurvedic expert before you start consuming it regularly. 12. Raisins. They are known to contain tartaric acid and have a high fiber content as well. Raisins can have a laxative effect and might act as a quick remedy for constipation. Also, you can consider having them with a bowl of yogurt for added taste and benefits. 13. Rhubarb. When we talk about herbal remedies for constipation, this vegetable proves to be an effective one. It is known for its sour taste and is usually cooked with sugar. Rhubarb is also known to have a laxative effect and proves to be a natural treatment for constipation. And don't forget to check out the Lost Book of Herbal Remedies book, where you'll find 800 plus beneficial plants and remedies on how to recipes of tinctures, teas, decoctions, essential oils, syrups, salves, poultices, infusions, and many other natural remedies that our grandparents used for centuries. What's also special about this book is that it has between 2 and 4 color pictures for each plant and detailed identification guidelines to make sure you've got the right plant. So get your copy by clicking the first link in our description.